Yeah. Anyway, hey, a while ago I stumbled upon these discussions on the internet, on a Facebook photo channel. There was this person asking a question as follows. When you listen to rock music, do you want to know what brand of guitars were used and what settings the amps were on? Yeah, you see where this is going. You know, as we all know, there are two extreme camps in photography. There's one end of the spectrum that says that you shouldn't give any additional information related to a photograph. The photograph itself should do all the talking. And then there is another school of thought that says that all additional information is good and it lets the viewer to get more into the picture. Like who took the picture under which circumstances, what gear was used, what processes were used, any information related to that picture. And those two extremes seem to fight all the time for the reason that I don't really understand. I mean, ignore the fine print if you don't like that. I mean, you don't need to read everything you see. Anyway, the comments were pouring in, pros and cons, whatnot, and then somebody had this brilliant comment. To me, it matters if a song was played on a ukulele or a photo was taken on an iPhone. Interesting. Now, the original question was, when you listen to rock music, and the answer was about playing it with ukulele. And as I just demonstrated, ukulele is not a very good instrument for rock music. Yeah, and in the normal universe, that's where this would end, but not on this channel. Oh no, I started to think about, say, if the ukulele is so bad to play rock and roll, could it be the right instrument to take photographs? Would this make a good camera? I mean, it has a hole in it and it is probably pretty tight. And I wanted to try. I mean, of course I did. First, I violently pushed a 4x5 sheet film into the sound hole like this. Then I took a little bit tin foil. Cover the sound hole with this tin foil. Then I took some tape and I taped the tin foil on my ukulele like this. And then I took a needle and I punched a little hole into the tin foil like this. And now the camera is ready and I took a few pictures. Hey, so now we know, ukulele is not really for rock and roll, but it's a decent camera. Who would have thought?